other version ng album ni Ate Ayu. Ayan. So, ayan. Okay. Kita na siya. Ayan. So, buksan na natin. And, ayan na. Ayan. Buksan na natin. Yeah. Okay, so just like the other one, meron din siyang ganito. Yeah. Buksan natin. Ayan. Bum, 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 bum. Wow! I'm cute. A photo card. Cute no, guys. Yan. Okay, that's the photo card. And then yung ID size photo. I'm cute! and then the stickers that comes with it. Okay. And then that's it. That's the box. Okay, let's put them back here. Let's put this on the side. And let's go to the lyric booklet. So it looks the same as the one in the LILAC version. Pareho lang sila ng itsura. And even the back is the same. Yeah. So yeah. And this is the kind of like the, I will just call it a coaster, though it's not, because it looks like one. It's just made of carton again, just like the one on the LILAC version. So cute. And so I guess pareho lang yung loob nito from the LILAC version. But for those who hasn't seen the LILAC version unboxing I did, and I'm gonna show it to you again. Yeah. Yun. Okay. That's it. Ayun na. Okay. Let's Put this on the side. And let's go to our favorite part. Clap, 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 clap. Paksu! It's the photo booth. And again, guys, this is the disc, the CD. I'm gonna take it out really gently. It's kind of really hard to take it out, guys. Sa totoo lang. Right there. Sorry, my camera is a little bit shaky. It's because yung tripod na gamit ko is wiggling a little bit. So yeah, sorry about that. So this is the city. Ayan. Okay. Then let's go to the photo book. Okay, I put this on the side so we can concentrate on the photo book. Yeah. Ay, sabi niya ate. Aray ko. Parang mukha siyang nasaktan dito. Cute. Para mas makita niyo, guys. I'm gonna put this on the side first. Cute! O, diba? Ayan, ito ang uso ngayon, mga sing-sing-sing-sing. Na maraming daliwi. Pero dapat manipis, ha? Yun ang uso ngayon. And so this is one of the posters earlier. Hindi ko napakita dito sa video na to, but I showed it when I tried to when I opened the LILAC version. So maybe I'll just post a big photo of it so you can see it, guys. So yan, kasama siya ng binili ko yung dalawang version ng albums. So one poster of the LILAC and then one poster for the BYLAC. So a total of 72 pages actually, including this part. Okay. Alright, so yep, that's the BYLAC album, guys. Again, I just wanted to share it with my Filipino UAS right there. So pasensya na sa medyo shaky na camera kasi hindi talaga ako nagumagawa ng unboxing. Alright, so that's the photo book that is included with the BYLAC version of the 5th album of IU, which is LILAC. Alright, so let's put them back one by one. The photo book first. The lyric booklet. And the freebies right here. I'll just call it the freebies. Alright, and then let's close it. Again, so this is BYLAC. The BYLAC version.